What are your thoughts about foam rolling, particularly with respect, as it says here, to the hammies?
To the hammies, yeah. I think it's great. I think done appropriately, it's just like if it's relevant for the individual.
So what's appropriate then? When is it inappropriate? What's bad foam rolling?
Well, bad foam rolling would be on someone who doesn't need to stretch their hamstrings, because essentially someone who's got a typical lower cross syndrome where the hamstrings are longer, so they're longer than they should be, which creates this anterior pelvic tilt, then it's not really a great idea to stretch those people's hamstrings because they're already functionally longer than you want.
In terms of rehabbing a strained hamstring, I mean, are they good for, I don't know, just improving circulation, getting better blood flow to the tissues?
Yeah, I mean, this is another thing, that the sorts of forces that you can get from foam rolling are extremely high. And could be injurious. I've seen people that have bruised themselves through foam rolling before because the pressure is very strong. And so if you get, a lot of it's to do with mentality, in the kind of CrossFit, no pain, no gain, pain is weakness leaving the body kind of mentality, then...
All that male macho bullshit.
Yeah, exactly. Then foam rolling can be a problem. But if you're using it sensibly and, with the right profile of person in the right way, then I think it's a great tool.
It says, what's foam rolling?
Okay.
They're not really foam, are they? They're bloody hard, those things.
Some of them are foam, but some of them are, sort of polyurethane or something, I don't know. They're generally speaking, they can be up to 90 centimetres long. They're normally somewhere around 6 inches thick. And you put them on the floor and you can roll your body along them. So you could roll your calf. It's like having a massage, but a deep massage. And one thing I would say is that I see a lot of people in gyms rolling in either direction up and down the leg. And of course, knowing a bit about massage and lymphatics and venous flow, you don't really want to be rolling down the leg. You want to roll up the leg. You want to go with the lymphatic.
Is there evidence to show that really is an important consideration, or is that just our instinct that says that we shouldn't?
Evidence on it. But I do know that the pressures that those things exert are significant and could theoretically damage the valves in the veins or the lymphatics.
That makes logical sense.
So,